Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Axe plus chin. Axe, chin. Pack plus D, pack. Action packed. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Don't mind me, folks. I'm still celebrating. I found this balloon left over from our New Year's Eve show here on Classic Concentration, hiding behind one of the cars. So I'll just get rid of it now, and I will take a moment to introduce the newcomer to our program, the lovely lady on my left. Her name is Andrea Naron. Andrea, how are you?
Great.
Tell me a little bit about yourself, and Happy New Year to you,
Thank you very much. You too. Well, my name is Andrea Naron. I have a little boy who will be 1 pretty soon, and I just found out that I'm pregnant yesterday, so I'm soon to have another one. I'm really excited.
You found out yesterday, or you got pregnant yesterday?
I found out yesterday.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, that's nice to know. Then it wasn't a New Year's Eve celebration that carried on and on and on. Nice having you with us today.
Thank you.
Your opponent is this man on my right. His name is Bruce Sad, and he isn't sad because he's won a couple $1,000s in prizes. We're delighted to have you back with us, Bruce. You guys ready to play?
Oh, yes.
Take a look over here, and we'll find out about this setting.
We know times are tough, so shed your woes and winter clothes as you and a friend escape to the island paradise of Tahiti. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Tahiti, and you'll spend 3 nights on Tahiti and 3 nights on Moorea at the elegant Beachcomber Park Royal Hotels. Luxurious accommodations in a lush tropical setting, fine dining, exotic entertainment, and the vibrant beauty of Tahiti, furnished by the Beachcomber Park Royal Hotels. Alex.
Oh, what a wonderful vacation in store for one of these contestants. Andrea and Bruce, take a look on the board, and we'll show you the White Sands of Tahiti at number 17. Andrea, you are the newcomer. You get to go first.
Okay, let's go with number 7.
Lucky 7 gives you a ceiling fan.
And number 14.
Ceiling fan. I guess it was a lucky 7. Let's open these 2 doors for Andrea. Pick again.
Okay, number 12.
Gold bracelet.
Number 9, please.
Gold bracelet. Bruce, do you get the feeling that Andrea has come to play?
Yes, yes.
All right.
This is going to be a tough one.
Don't despair. Andrea, take a look now. See if you can make it 3 in a row.
Number 15, please.
Rowing machine.
Number 18.
Car wash weekly for a year. The string is broken. Bruce, you live.
Okay. Let's look at number 6.
Wild card.
And we've got to take it. We've got to take the Tahiti match, number 17.
I would think so. Number 17 for the White Sands of Tahiti, yes. The other White Sands of Tahiti are on the bottom line at number 24. 3 doors opening up, but this time for Bruce.
Lump sum.
I think we may have a new winner here. Andrea Naron says lump sum. And Andrea Naron is right. And Andrea's going to the board. Well done, and quickly, too. There you go.
Okay, let's see. We have the L plus the hump in the camel, so we have lump. And the 4 is the sum, lump sum.
Easy, straightforward. Nicely done. Poor Bruce, though, gets his 2nd strike, and that means we do have to say goodbye.
It's been fun. No problems at all.
Good. You're going away with $2,291 in prizes, Bruce.
Nice.
Congratulations to you, and Happy New Year.
Andrea, win the car.
Thank you.
You hope so?
I hope so.
You hope you're going to win a car. All right, we'll find out about that in a little while. Right now, we want to hear about your prizes. Gene.
a car wash weekly for a year, a rowing machine, camping equipment, and a ceiling fan. Murray Feiss's handsome 5-blade ceiling fan with light kit has 3 speeds, reversible for summer and winter use, and is designed to be maintenance-free, furnished by Murray Feiss. And a gold bracelet. Today's fashion elegance, a triple-strand braided bracelet, a highly polished finish of Italian 14-karat gold from the Michael C. Fina Company.
Well, congratulations to you, young lady. She really would like to win a brand new car. It's going to be tough because there will be just 35 seconds on the clock when we come back, but you never know. We'll return after this break. She wants to win a brand new car also. Here are the 15 numbered squares for you, Andrea, and the clock at base time, 35 seconds. Take a deep breath. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2.
No.
4, 5.
No.
7, 8.
No.
1, 8.
Yes.
10, 11.
No.
4, 10.
No.
13, 14.
No.
4, 11.
No.
3, 11.
No.
6, 9.
No.
12. 9.
No.
6. 12.
Right.
15. 5.
Didn't work out. That's okay. You were going so fast, it was probably difficult for your brain to keep up,
I was
particularly
nervous.
when... Yeah, that's understandable. But hey, you've got $1,466 in prizes as a result of that first win, and you're going into game number 2 right after we come back. Andrea had her shot. She may get there again to the winner's circle, but if that happens, she will have to defeat this man. He's a newcomer to our program. His name is Michael Brown. Hello, Michael. Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
What do you do? Tell me briefly.
I'm currently waiting on tables.
Does that mean you're an actor?
Struggling actor.
Struggling actor,
Yes,
all right.
And I'm from Canada.
You are? Where
Yes,
are you
I
from?
am. Woodstock, Ontario, Canada.
Woodstock.
Yes, 2 hours south of Toronto.
In the southwest corner of the
Southwest
province
corner,
of
yeah,
Ontario.
towards Detroit.
Towards Detroit and Owen Sound?
Owen Sound, yeah, right around there, yeah.
Okay, good luck. Nice having you with us.
Thank
You
you.
like to eat all kinds of fun food things?
Yeah.
Andrea, do you?
You better believe
Now
it.
that you're pregnant again, you'll want to do that. This might be of interest.
Perron will surprise you throughout the year with a dream gift of chocolate-covered popcorn, chocolate pizza, and mousse truffle chocolates, gifts for the most discerning connoisseur, furnished by Perron Chocolatier. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. Look at Marjorie wolf all that stuff down. I wonder if Marjorie's expecting. That put a damper on that, didn't it? Andrea and Michael, take a look at the board, and we'll show you where you can find the chocolates. At number 3, Andrea, when you were pregnant the first time, did you have any of these strange food cravings that we hear about so often?
No, I really didn't. I tried to get my husband to go out for ice cream once, but he didn't believe it. So he wouldn't get out of bed to go get it.
Well, at what time? At the night or morning?
It was probably 11 at night.
Well, most of the ice cream shops are closed. You were sending him
Well,
to
there's a convenience store. He could have done it. But he's really nice, honey. You're really nice.
But if he really loved you, he'd have gone out to get the
Yeah.
ice cream. Yeah, we know. All right. Now, you remember where you saw that prize?
Yes.
We have some other great prizes in this game. The 5 bonus car seconds. We have $700 in the cash pot and an Arizona golf and tennis resort vacation. And Michael, you're the newcomer. You go first.
Okay, could I see what's behind number 1?
Piano.
Piano. I play the piano. That would be perfect, and I need one. Could I see the match that under number 13?
Green take. Andrea.
Okay, I needed that take last game. Number 9, please.
Arizona
All right,
golf
okay.
and tennis resort
okay,
vacation.
I would need a wild card under number 11.
Bedroom set. No match. Michael.
Could I see bottom left-hand corner number 21?
Red take.
And a match for that or a wild card under number 19?
No. Bedroom set. Andrea?
Number 11, please.
For the bedroom
And the
set.
match for the bedroom set under number 19.
That is right, and that gives you a match and earns you a chance to study the puzzle, even though there isn't going to be that much showing with just these 2 doors opening up. Sometimes two panels reveal a great deal, and other times they don't. Andrea?
Number 12, please.
Gardening gift certificate.
Okay, let's look for a match or wild card under number 10, please.
Wall mirror. No match there, obviously. Michael?
Could I see what's behind number 25?
5 bonus car seconds.
Yeah. And a wild card or a match for that under number 9.
No, that's the Arizona Golf and Tennis Resort Vacation, which we uncovered a few minutes ago. Andrea?
Okay, number 6, please.
Makeup case.
Oh, I need that. Okay, the match under number 22, please.
5 bonus car seconds. She says, oh no, and Michael says, oh yes for me.
Yeah. Could I see number 25?
Right?
And number 22.
25 and 22 do make a match with a 5 bonus car seconds. Great prize to have if you get to the winner's circle. Let's open the 2 panels. Select again.
Number 23.
Wild card.
And could I see the Arizona trip behind number 9?
Number 9 for the vacation, and the other vacation is just below that at number 14. 3 more doors opening up for our challenger, Michael Brown. Select.
What's behind number 18?
Makeup case.
You've seen that. That was behind number 15.
Cash pot. No match.
Okay, I believe the makeup case was under number 6
Yes.
and number 18 for the match.
6 and 18. The young lady remembered the makeup case. And as a result, she gets to study the puzzle with 2 more doors swinging open.
Don't know it yet. Number 4, please.
Wall mirror.
Oh, where did I see that? Number 10?
Mirror, mirror on the wall. We have made a match. And Andrea has earned another look at an expanded puzzle. Select.
Number 16, please.
Green take.
Is that number 8?
No, that's the piano.
no.
And Michael knows how to play the piano and wants a piano.
Yes, could I see behind number 1?
Piano.
And number 8.
Michael, you have 3 terrific prizes in your column right now. The bonus car second, that Arizona vacation, and a piano. And you have an opportunity to solve this puzzle.
Up and at 'em.
Is it up and at 'em? Yes, it is. All right, for Michael. Good news for the Canadian. Let's go to the board. Let's see how well you explain this. A?
Okay, we have a lady having trouble with her pants here. And then a frying pan, and a D, up and then we have the nucleus with where the whole thing is the atom. Up and atom. Up and atom.
Michael, I don't think it was necessary to mention the fact that the lady was having problems with her trousers. All you have to do is say the
What's she doing?
She's just struggling with them a little bit. All right, Andrea, that's just the 1 strike against you, and that
We'll be
means, of
back.
course, you'll be back. You bet. We'll see you then in the next game. So long, Andrea. Michael, let's hear about your prizes. Gene, tell them.
A piano. Baldwin's traditional style 631 upright piano made of beautiful wood veneer, pine styling, 3-ply laminated soundboard, and solid brass pedals for soft, full, and bass sustaining effects furnished by Baldwin. And an Arizona Golf and Tennis Resort. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Tucson. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Sheraton Tucson El Conquistador Golf and Tennis Resort. This award-winning 4-star hotel is a desert oasis at the foot of the scenic Santa Catalina Mountains. And the 5 bonus car seconds. And Bruce, you have a prize package totaling $5,401.
It's a pretty big win. Just 1 game, 1 big win over $5,000, and 40 seconds on the clock for Michael when he tries to win a brand new car following these messages. understand anything of what she said?
I didn't understand it.
No, that's because you're Canadian, and I didn't understand it either because I, too, am Canadian. All right, let me run down the list of cars that you have a chance to win in this minute or so. Toyota Tercel on the bottom. The Hyundai Scoop. The Honda Civic comes next, followed by the Geo Storm, the Nissan 240SX, the Daihatsu Charade, the Volkswagen Fox, and right at the top, the Ford Festiva. Keep those names firmly etched in your brain. Here are the 15 numbered squares. This is your first time here, so we start off with base time of 35 seconds, but you picked up the 5 bonus seconds, so you're going to be working with a full 40. Good luck. Off you go.
Okay, 1, 3,
No.
4, 6.
No.
1, 6.
No.
7, 9.
No.
1, 9.
Right.
10, 12,
Nope.
3, 7,
No.
13, 15,
No.
10, 15,
Yep.
2, 5,
Nope.
7, 5,
Right.
8, 11,
Nope.
4, 12,
Yes.
14.
You went by the 3-6 earlier, and you didn't make that combination,
Yeah, I
and
missed
that
it.
kind of threw you off just a little bit. Hey, you've got $5,401, including that Arizona Golf and Tennis Resort vacation, which is pretty good going. And you get to go into another game right after this.
Some of today's participants may receive chalk lines. His and her satin award jacket can be decorated with favorite major sports teams or animated characters, furnished by Chalkline. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
A while ago, ladies and gentlemen, when we introduced our challenger, Michael Brown from Woodstock, Ontario, Canada, he is a struggling actor, so I'm going to put you to work right now. I'm going to give you a little on-air audition, Michael.
Okay.
I want you to tell the folks why they should even consider buying the Classic Concentration home game. Go for it.
Because it's a great game, it's fun to play, and it sure helped me on getting on this show.
How did it help you?
I played at home with a couple friends last week.
Were you the best player in the group?
No, actually, they all beat me.
Then why are you here and your friend's still at home?
They're too chicken to try out for the show.
Oh, is that it? So not only do you have to have enough...
Courage.
You have to have courage, yes.
Yes.
You got to go out and buy the game, and then you have to have the guts to come out and try
Guts.
out for the program, take our
right.
test,
Yes.
pass it, and be on the show.
And the courage to stand next to you, which is kind of sometimes a little intimidating. Scary. Very scary.
Huh?
Yeah.
Get out of the way. That's it for our show. I'm going to say goodbye. And I'm going to deal with her as soon as the credits roll by. Thank you all for tuning us in today. Michael will be back tomorrow. And so will we. So long.
This is Gene Woods speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.